Today, we will tour 8368 West Paradise Drive in Peoria, Arizona. Welcome to this gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offering an open layout, inviting design, and convenient location. As you enter, you'll immediately notice the bright and naturally lit floor plan that creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Located near 83rd Avenue and Cactus, the home offers easy access to major routes including the 60 and the 101, along with nearby shopping and dining options. So if you were interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Additional highlights include built-in cabinetry that offers extra storage space and a nicely sized laundry area with cabinets above the washer and dryer hookups for added convenience. The kitchen is designed with functionality in mind and features plenty of cabinet space, dark tiled countertops, and a center island. And the living area includes a cozy corner fireplace that adds character and comfort, along with designer-inspired accent walls that bring a unique and stylish touch throughout the home. If you enjoy spending time outdoors, the covered patio just off the living room offers a great space to relax, unwind, or enjoy outdoor dining. The primary bedroom is designed as a comfortable retreat. It includes double sinks, updated lighting sconces, a separate shower and soaking tub, and a large closet that provides ample storage. Schedule your showing today and see everything this home has to offer.